Yeah, if you get focused, run to green, so he charges through the purple world marker.
Okay.
Save the bubbles for 30%.
Yep.
2, 1.
You should have fled. Now I'll feed your bones to the Stormcrow.
Never mind.
I will flatten you like saplings.
Switch. Switch.
All wilds tremble before my fury.
Make sure you're in the right group.
Yeah, group 2 behind the boss now. On the moon. Run. And switch.
Trample, crush and crumple!
So far, guys, just keep it up.
Switch.
Wait, both groups? No, never mind, sorry.
Gonna enrage soon.
Yep. Well, look.
Run.
Just keep it up.
Switch.
You got hit there, Edith.
Yeah. If you get hit and you're not supposed to get hit, just don't take the next one.
Yep. Just try to be aware of where you are.
Won't be a next one, I guess.
It's a bit more cuddly and normal.
Yeah, it's
almost
That's
would
sweet.
love to invite him into bed or something.
okay.
There was never a soul more noble.
I mean like a cat, not a...
Let's not
Uh-huh,
get ahead of ourselves.
Sure, buddy. Get dragon next.